What's up, crypto fiends? Average crypto investor here, aka another dumb human, here to talk about smart contracts. Have you been wondering what a smart contract is and why it's so important? Are you confused as to how these are being used in the crypto space? Today we are going to talk about what a smart contract is and why they are so vital to the next evolution of crypto-related projects. So what exactly is a smart contract? Let me start with an analogy. A contract works as a two-party obligation. The contract is the agreement of the obligation. It establishes the rules of the obligation and what each party needs to do. Let's say you need someone to clean your house. You find someone and they say they will clean your house once a week for $100. The contract will stipulate the frequency, the payment amount, the house to be cleaned, when payment is due, and the parties involved. If there is ever a dispute, you can refer back to the contract to make sure that the terms are clear and that it will be enforceable in court. This is what makes a contract so important for two parties coming to an agreement. The smart contract works in a similar fashion, except it is all done via code on the blockchain. This enables some unique benefits that are particularly helpful for cryptocurrencies. First off, a smart contract is immutable. That means that once a smart contract is in place, it cannot be changed. This has some useful applications for decentralized applications to ensure that every user is getting the same experience when they're interacting with the contract. This also ensures that the devs don't change the rules of the game after the money has already been invested in the contract. Smart contracts are also decentralized. This means that you aren't waiting for one particular party to hold up their end of the bargain. In our examples of real-life contracts, the cleaner may not show up, or you could be late in paying them. Because smart contracts are decentralized and stored on the blockchain, as long as the conditions of the program are met, the mechanism of the contract will take place. Another useful benefit of smart contracts being stored on the blockchain is that they're public. Anyone can use a blockchain explorer to take a look at the smart contract and see exactly what is happening. This is useful for auditing purposes and encourages both trust and legitimacy moving forwards. Smart contracts have created some of the most interesting applications in the crypto space. One example is the rise of DEXs, or decentralized exchanges. These allow users to both fund the liquidity of a token exchange as well as exchanging one token for another. This is all done via an interaction with the smart contract to ensure that all parties receive the outcome that they are expecting. Smart contracts have also been used to create smart escrow accounts. The terms of these escrows can be stipulated upfront and then be checked via the contract so they know when they can release the funds. This has been used for decentralized gambling applications where the smart contract can hold wagers until the outcome of the bet has been finalized. The newest and one of the most interesting use cases for smart contracts has been DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations. These essentially run like businesses, but with smart contracts being used to determine when human input is required and when profits can be given back to the shareholders. If you're interested in learning more about DAOs in the future, make sure to like this video and subscribe with the bell notification turned on so that way you can be notified when the DAO video comes out. Smart contracts are creating ways to interact with the blockchain that have never been possible before. We are seeing them create to facilitate things like cross-chain swaps to allow people to buy tokens not listed on centralized exchanges, to create crypto-powered games, and to build generational wealth through things like yield farming. Smart contracts are relatively new to the crypto sphere, especially in the sense of how robust they became when Ethereum came onto the scene. Every day, new decentralized applications are coming on that are being built with smart contracts. In a few years, every interaction we have with cryptocurrency might just be facilitated through a smart contract. Are there more cryptocurrency related terms that are confusing or that need to be better explained? Leave a comment below letting me know what you would like me to cover next. As always, if you want more of this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe with the bell notification turned on so you can be alerted when our next video comes out. That's all for now. Stay safe and keep hodling.